A sea turtle is a type of reptile that lives most of its life in the ocean. It is known for its large, rounded shell and strong, flipper-like limbs. These physical traits help it move smoothly through water, allowing it to travel long distances with ease. The sea turtle's body is built for swimming rather than walking, and it spends nearly all of its time in the sea. Unlike many other animals, the sea turtle does not have legs for land movement. Instead, its limbs are shaped like paddles, allowing it to glide through the water with slow, powerful strokes. On land, it appears awkward and slow, but in the water, it moves with grace and control. Its ability to navigate through currents and waves is one of its most notable features. The shell of a sea turtle is hard and serves as protection from potential threats. This outer covering shields the soft parts of its body, particularly when the animal is resting or threatened. The shell has a smooth shape that reduces resistance in the water, making swimming more efficient and less tiring for the reptile. Sea turtles are cold-blooded, meaning their body temperature depends on the temperature of the surrounding water. They seek out warmer waters where they can remain active and feed comfortably. When the water is too cold, they slow down, moving less and conserving energy. This response is a common trait among reptiles. They rely on a sharp sense of direction to find their way across vast ocean distances. Sea turtles are known to return to specific locations at different points in their life. Their ability to navigate through open water, where landmarks are few, remains one of the more mysterious abilities observed in marine animals. Breathing is another interesting aspect of the sea turtle's life. Although it lives in the water, it must surface to breathe air. It holds its breath for long periods, especially while resting, and surfaces quietly when needed. Its lungs are large and efficient, allowing it to exchange air quickly before diving again. Sea turtles feed on a variety of food found in their marine environment. Their diet depends on their surroundings and what is available, but they are well adapted to locating and consuming food in the ocean. Their beaks are shaped to help them eat efficiently, depending on the texture and type of food they target. Despite living in the sea, sea turtles are air-breathing animals, which means they must always return to the surface eventually. This constant balance between underwater life and surface breathing shapes much of their behavior. They have developed strong routines to manage energy while ensuring they have access to air. Sea turtles are quiet animals that do not make much noise or engage in loud activity. Their life in the water is marked by slow, calm movement and periods of stillness. This quiet existence helps them remain undisturbed in their habitat and avoid drawing attention from other animals. These reptiles have thick, leathery skin that protects them from the salty water and sharp surfaces they might encounter. Their eyes are adapted to seeing underwater, with a membrane that protects against particles and salt. Their sense of touch and sight helps them detect changes in their surroundings quickly. They are often solitary creatures, swimming alone rather than in groups. Their routines are shaped by feeding, resting, and moving between areas as needed. Though they may gather in the same region at certain times, they do not depend on group behavior to survive, and they rarely interact closely with other animals. Sea turtles are among the most recognized marine reptiles. Their unique form, slow movements, and close connection to the ocean make them stand out in the world of animals. Their way of life, centered on swimming, breathing air, and navigating long distances, reflects an animal completely shaped by its marine environment. Sea turtles live in the ocean and are most commonly found in warm and temperate waters. These reptiles rely on a marine environment to survive and are specially adapted for life at sea. Their habitats include both shallow and deep areas, depending on their needs and the time of year. Coastal regions with access to food and rest areas are especially important for them. They often spend time in shallow waters near the shore, where they can feed and stay protected from strong ocean currents. These areas allow them to move with ease and remain close to the surface for air. Sea turtles often return to familiar spots within these coastal zones throughout their life. The calm waters provide comfort and stability. The open ocean is another part of their habitat. Sea turtles travel across vast distances, swimming through deep water far from land. These long migrations connect them to different parts of the sea. They use ocean currents as natural routes, conserving energy while moving between feeding and resting areas. These journeys are part of their regular behavior. They may also be found near reefs, where the structure of the ocean floor gives them places to hide and find food. Reefs offer both shelter and nourishment, making them important parts of the sea turtle's world. These areas are usually rich in plant and animal life, providing what they need to stay active and healthy. Isolated islands, quiet bays, and protected lagoons often attract sea turtles. These places offer clean water, fewer disturbances, and soft areas for resting. The sea turtle uses these locations to pause during long swims or to stay safe during changing weather. These animals avoid areas with strong human activity or pollution. The sea turtle's habitat is not fixed. It moves across regions and adapts to changing ocean conditions. It chooses environments based on temperature, food availability, and safety. These reptiles are flexible and capable of adjusting to different situations in the sea. They are drawn to areas where all these conditions work together. Cooler waters are less suitable for sea turtles. Since they are cold-blooded animals, they rely on external warmth to stay active. Cold temperatures slow them down and may affect their ability to survive. As a result, they usually avoid cold regions and stick to places where the water is warm enough for them to function properly. They prefer waters that are clean and healthy. Contaminated areas can harm their health or make food difficult to find. Clear, calm waters are ideal for them. These reptiles are sensitive to changes in their surroundings, and their behavior often reflects the health of their environment. Clean ocean areas are essential for their survival. The lifespan of a sea turtle is long for a reptile. These animals can live for several decades. Some individuals live more than half a century under the right conditions. Their lifespan depends on factors like environment, food, safety, and overall health. It takes time for a sea turtle to grow and reach full maturity. They age slowly and have a gradual life cycle. Sea turtles do not show rapid changes in behavior or appearance. Their lives are marked by slow development and long periods of stable activity. Many sea turtles live for over 30 years, and some even longer when left undisturbed by threats or harm. Their longevity is supported by their calm and careful nature. These animals avoid unnecessary risk and often follow regular habits. They do not expend energy quickly and rely on steady, slow movement. This pace helps them reduce stress on their bodies and may contribute to their long lifespan. In safe marine environments, sea turtles have fewer natural enemies. Their hard shells and ability to travel large distances help them stay protected. Without constant danger, they can live a full life. However, if faced with regular threats, their lives may be shortened. Protection and low-stress surroundings are key. Sea turtles are known to live longer when they are in undisturbed ocean habitats. Access to clean water and natural food sources allows their bodies to remain strong over time. Their slow aging process reflects their simple but efficient way of life. They are not quick animals, but they endure for many years. Some sea turtles show signs of aging, such as changes in shell texture or slower movement. These signs appear gradually and do not prevent them from continuing their usual behavior. The long life of these reptiles is one of their most notable features and shows how well they are adapted to life in the sea. In rare cases, sea turtles have been known to live up to 70 or even 80 years, especially in stable conditions. These long-lived individuals offer insight into the durability of this marine animal. Their quiet and focused lifestyle supports their ability to reach such old age. Even with their long lifespan, the early years of a sea turtle's life are the most dangerous. Once they reach maturity, they have a better chance of living out their natural life. The ocean becomes more familiar and manageable, and their large size and experience help them stay safe. A sea turtle's life is shaped by its connection to the ocean. The water it lives in must support it not just for travel, but for long-term survival. Its habitat and its lifespan are closely linked. The more balanced and healthy the ocean environment is, the longer and more stable the life of the sea turtle can be.